So quick one, guys. I'm just going to give you guys a quick view of what my cave apartment looks like in Gorime, Cappadocia. I don't think I'm pronouncing that right. I think it's actually Kappadokya and not Cappadocia.
Hi guys, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Pardon my voice, guys. I'm currently having a flu, so if this voiceover is coming off as one kind, please pardon me. Anyways, guys, in this video I'll be taking you guys on a jolly ride to share the amazing view from my cave room in Kappadokya. There is no way you will come to Cappadocia and miss out on the cave rooms. It is definitely an amazing part of the experience. Anyways, guys, we stayed at the Luna Cappadocia Hotel. Our room cost about $110 per night, and although as compared to other hotels and a much more budget-friendly room or hotel, which we later moved to, this was quite an expensive room. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys this room. However, breakfast was very mouth-watering, and it was such an unforgettable experience, and the overall stay was priceless. First off, I'll start with showing you guys this amazing view from outside of my room. This space out here was more of a special corner just right outside of my room that I never made use of, by the way. The sofa or comfy chair was mostly used by other occupants of the hotel who loved to sit, chat and share some food with their friends in the evenings. Right outside my room and at the center of the accommodation, there was this calabash filled spot that I jokingly thought looked somewhat like a shrine. Anyways, the garden and view around this spot was lovely, and the sun, it was blinding. You can actually see that I was actually squinting just to look at the top roof part of the apartment. Well, I think I was ranting here about the rooftop. I'm going to show you guys later. I couldn't stop going on and on and on and on about the views from this place. It was such a beauty to behold, and it was such a marvelous opportunity to wonder at God's beautiful creations. Meanwhile, I was also here wondering how this car, I'm going to zoom in a minute, how this car got all the way up here. Just to point out that the roads on some of the streets were surprisingly so tiny. It was a wonder how many of the cars or bikes were able to maneuver through the tiny roads. And guys, I have just climbed through to the stairs and up to the rooftop. You wouldn't believe what happened. I was literally just warning my partner to be careful of that, and he almost fell. It almost fell. Like, what would I have said? It was literally just only trying to help me film this part of the video, and that was how he almost fell. Thankfully it didn't, because that would have been so disastrous, because we were literally at the top of the roof. Anyways, more views, more amazing views from the rooftop. I'm literally feeling on top of the world right now. And then not my partner almost falling from this place. What's it like? What would I have said? I'm not fall. So guys, I've literally walked back to the first floor now, and I totally dreamt of taking pictures on this particular spot, but blame it on practically staying indoors all day and being lazy. I never took any pictures on this spot. I'm making a sad face right now. But anyways guys, you could literally see other hotel accommodation from this area as well as their relaxation spot. If you've seen my birthday video at this point, this was where I took my photos and I had the hot air balloon view. The view in the early hours of the morning and during sunset is nothing short of amazing. And now to my actual bedroom. You guys won't believe I literally forgot to film this part of the video. I only did a bedroom tour on the day we were leaving, which was legit 3 days after the first video. Well, again, this was my bedroom I stayed in. My partner thought it was giving trenches and uncompleted building vibes. I don't know what I thought, but I mean, it's a cave apartment for a reason. I wasn't expecting anything less or more. The room was pretty big. There were no air conditioners or ACs, by the way, only standing fans. Room temperature was quite alright, and it was overall warm in Turkey. I really did not do justice filming the entire room because we were in a rush as we were about checking out. And I am not even gonna lie, this wardrobe really gave trenches vibe. Not gonna lie one bit, and it was pretty small. Only 2 of our boxes managed to fit in. I just want to say guys that between the last time I filmed the first part of this video and now, I have lost so much weight that this cloth is looking fitter on me. Like, if you notice the first part of this video, my breasts, my boobs were looking fuller, but right now this dress is looking fitter. Like, this used to be so tight and open, but now it's looking fuller. I've lost so much weight since I came here. I've been managing to eat the food that's available. But yeah guys, this is the bathroom region of the apartment, and yeah, it's quite messy because we're about checking out. I actually literally forgot to film this part of the video, so we're checking out right now and we're moving to our next apartment. I don't know if I'll be filming that part. I don't know if I'll be filming the new apartment. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed watching this vlog, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yeah, I just said that. Like, comment, share, and bye. See you in my next video.